you take your pin, be careful so you don't hurt yourself. Then just pin it down. Then you take the other side as well. Okay, then we are still on it. Now you just arrange however way you want it. Then this one is too much. You just take this like that, and take this. You can use pin on this one too. Just put it together in place there. Then here. Yes. And this one as well, you take a pin and as well hold it together at the back.